There is a quiet panic sweeping through the cinematography world right now, and it is happening because the boundary between independent filmmakers and multi-million-dollar Hollywood sets has just been completely erased. For decades, the rules of the film industry were incredibly rigid and painfully expensive. If you wanted to shoot a project that looked like a cinematic masterpiece, with breathtaking dynamic range, flawless low-light performance, and that deep organic color structure that makes images feel alive, you had to rent an uncomfortably heavy, multi-thousand-dollar cinema camera setup. You needed an entire crew just to carry the body, manage the external monitor wires, and keep the system from overheating. If you tried to shoot solo or run a fast-moving production with a traditional mirrorless camera, your project immediately looked amateurish. Your highlights would blow out, your dark scenes would crumble into digital noise, and your autofocus would hunt and ruin the most critical moment of your story. You were trapped in a loop of compromise. But behind closed doors, a radical engineering shift has taken place. Sony looked at the frustration of independent creators, documentarians, and high-end commercial directors and decided to compress the absolute peak of their legendary Hollywood color science into an impossibly compact, battle-hardened chassis. The result of that defiance is a tool that wasn't supposed to exist yet, the Sony FX3 Mark II. This is not just an incremental camera update. This is not a standard photography body masquerading as a video tool. This is a deliberate, highly calculated disruption of the entire filmmaking landscape. In this video, we are going to pull back the curtain on why this specific compact cinema camera has created an absolute obsession among elite directors, and why your current camera setup is secretly robbing you of the visual authority you are paying for. If you think your current camera is doing just fine, you are about to realize exactly how much visual detail, time, and creative energy you have been bleeding on every single shoot. Let's start by addressing the dark psychology of visual storytelling and the illusion of image quality. Most filmmakers are conditioned to look at raw numbers. They look at megapixels, resolution counts, and marketing buzzwords. But the camera industry has been lying to you for a decade. They use massive resolution numbers like 8K or 12K to mask a fundamental flaw in their design: pixel density and light sensitivity. A sensor can have 100 million pixels, but if those pixels are microscopic, they cannot capture clean light. They starve for information. The moment you take that camera out of a perfectly lit studio and step into the real world, a dimly lit street at night, a moody candlelit restaurant, or a fast-moving documentary environment, the image falls apart. It gets bogged down by heavy digital noise, muddy shadows, and a complete loss of color accuracy. The FX3 Mark II completely rewrites the laws of sensor physics with its low megapixel, full-frame cinema architecture. By intentionally keeping the resolution targeted at the absolute sweet spot for pristine 4K video playback, Sony engineered giant pixels that operate as massive light buckets. This sensor doesn't just capture light, it actively amplifies it with virtually zero digital degradation. The result is a dual-base ISO system that feels less like electronics and more like night vision magic. When you cross the threshold into the high-base ISO setting, the camera quietly shifts its internal processing pipeline, dropping the noise floor to an invisible level. You can step into a pitch-black environment, illuminate your subject with nothing but a smartphone screen or a